Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we've got another Degustabox. I get these every month, but I don't always show them every month. But this one, I have a sneak peek at it, and I think it is definitely worth getting. It's £12.99 a month, and if you haven't had one before, they come packed full of snacks and cupboard items and maybe things that you haven't tried, or just like those little hard to get items, or just different things really. But yeah, it is usually full of snacks and bits to try, like kind of foodie items. So it is at Degustabox.com. You can see at the bottom there, Degustabox.com. So I'm just going to open it and show you what's inside this one. This is in November edition, so I've had a quick look inside already. They always come packed like this. I'll just show you. That was the Degusta logo thing on there, and some bubble wrap stuff. This shows you everything you get. I'm not going to go through that just yet. On the back there's a recipe you can make, and there's other things about what's in the box. It's kind of like leaflets there. A bit more information about the box really. And these are the box contents, so without even pricing it up, I can already tell there is definitely more than £12.99. The top end £99 is worth there. Lots of lovely items, so I'm just going to click on. And this is the first item. There's 4 brioche baguettes. Okay, let's have a look what I do with these. So it says here £1.50, soft, delicately sweet brioche baguettes, melt in the mouth. Ideal for breakfast or delicious sandwich. So now I'm wondering, are they sweet or are they for savoury? But there is a picture there of what looks like a meat and solid baguette. So I'm thinking of just general baguettes, not like a sweet croissant one. And they cost £1.50 for all of them, which is quite a value. So that's the first one. And then the second one is this. It says Clipper Natural Fair Delicious 24 cup advent calendar of organic tea. And this one costs it's £4.99 for that. So already we've got like £6.50 worth. So I haven't got a clue what you do with it. I'm thinking it says gently press to lift and enjoy. Oh, okay. Aha. So yeah, kind of pull out one of these every day. For December, I imagine. And they're all like, they're all numbered. Look at that, cute. I don't know if I'm meant to be in some sort of order, but I'm not. I'm not putting them out. I'm probably putting them out wrong. Oh well. Yeah, because there's number 3. So I'm guessing number 1 has to be up on there, and I just totally missed the order up there, but not to worry. So it does tell you all the flavours on them in the back. Quite hard to read. It's very small. It's colour peach, lemon, ginger. So I'm not really into my herbal tea, but I think it's quite cute for those that are. The next one is, I've got a kindness bar. We've had these before. These are anything from £1.50 to £1.99 depending on what you get. This one's caramel and almond sea salt. This one costs £1.30, and I think this one was one of that. So yeah, it is a product I've had before in these boxes, which is kind of disappointing. Oh, hang on. There's a protein double dark chocolate there too. So yeah, there's those. Like I say, I have seen these before. They are quite nice. The next one, we've got some Jaffa cake, orange and cranberry flavour. I don't need much explanation, but they cost £1.20 for that pack. I'm not going to open them just yet. Some like festive Jaffa cakes, you get some in the box too. And then there's these. So Cabernet Sauvignon, however that, it's that, and Chardonnay. Those. So Wolf Glass, Yellow Label, Chardonnay, and the other one. They cost £2.25 each, and they are so 13% and 13.5%. It's a bit of alcohol there. Nice little treat. I'm gonna have some bars from Lindit, which we got a green one and an orange one. Just wondering what the green one is. Obviously orange is orange. Yeah, the green one's mint. I'll probably give that one away. Maybe the orange one I'm not keen on mint. Those are 85 pence each, and they're quite well, they're full size. Even the box is full size anyway, but good full size bars there. Okay, through. Okay, this is a hot chocolate. It says full taste hot chocolate. Okay. That doesn't seem to be on the list. That must be a freebie. Sometimes you do get little freebies like that. Did say there was supposed to be a pit hot chocolate in. Maybe put that one instead. I don't know. But I'm not sure. That might just be a freebie for all I know. The Almond Fruit waffles, £1.30. Got which is the Dutch classic. Again, full bag, heavy bag. The name costs £1.30. They look delicious, by the way. Some more chocolate items here, so I've gone to 2 bars. So the Kit Kat, Kit Kat Santa, and the full bag. So this one is 5p, and this is £1 for the bag. Like Jaffa chocolate Kit Kat Santa type things. Some jars stuff. Smoothie there, and we'll see what we've got. I think this is the pesto. And this one, yep, coriander and basil pesto with hazelnuts and cashew nuts. So this is like a vegan kind of thing. Doesn't look the most appetizing thing, to be fair. I'm not sure if I'll use that or I'll give it away. I don't really know if it's the sort of thing I'd use, but who knows, maybe someone else will. And that normally costs, that's £2.20 for that one. And then last one, last item here is Dijon mustard, and this costs £1.99, so it's French mustard. Again, I probably wouldn't use it as standalone, but I mean it's always good to have if a recipe calls for it, isn't it? So there's that. I think oh yeah, there's also, what I forget is, it doesn't come in the box because it's a refrigeration product, but this is a free pack of strings and things which I can redeem at the supermarket, so that is an extra item. So count how many things we've got. We've got that one that's free. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 full-size items this month for £12.99. I don't think anyone can complain about that. That is Degustabox.com. If you go online, there is various like discount codes you can apply to your first order, so you end up getting your first order for about £7-8. Well worth it, especially if it's coming up to Christmas. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.